Maria Mashaba's worst nightmare became reality when she was forced to listen helplessly through the phone as her daughter's life was taken from her. 37-year-old Lizzie's final hours began on the evening of January 16th when her partner, a 51-year-old Sangoma, made the first of several chilling phone calls to Lizzie's family. At just after 8 in the evening, the Sangoma contacted Lizzie's family, claiming she was protecting her partner by preventing her from leaving because she was drunk. But Lizzie's sister could hear her in the background, desperately contradicting the woman's claims and pleading to be released. The horror continued in the early hours of the morning when another call came through. This time, the Sangoma revealed that she had bound Lizzie's hands and feet. The family found themselves in an impossible situation. They could hear their loved one crying for help, but because the relationship was new, they had no address to send the police or emergency services.
It was like abantu support isumndeni sifuna ijustice because nasi besifuna ukuthi sangisomsiza la bekhona makazange sikhone because besingazi ukuthi address kuphi.
The family's desperate pleas for the woman to release Lizzie fell on deaf ears. By morning, their worst fears were confirmed when the final call brought news that Lizzie had died. When the police arrived, the Sangoma allegedly tried to cover up her crime, claiming Lizzie had simply collapsed. However, the family's testimony about what they had heard during those phone calls became crucial evidence in the case. For Maria Mashaba, the pain of losing her daughter in such a horrific way is unbearable, especially knowing she was powerless to save the child she described as her everything.
Angikhonanga ukumsiza ngoba le ndawo lena vela kuye bengayazi ukuthi ukuphi lakho sikhalo sakhe singilemaza kakhulu ngoba beyangimemeza mama and abuyasho kule ntombazana ukuthi hawu kodwa ntombi yini engaka engiyenzile mina na kunokuthi ungaze ungifasa izandla nenyawo ngifuna ukuyochama leso sikhathi uyakhala angizange sakhona ukulala ubusuku bonke nami bengikade ukuthi mhlawumbe ngo-5 ngizozama ukuthi ke ngizule ngiyozula nje ngingazazi ukuthi ngiyothola kuphi leyo ndawo leyo manje angazi nami yona ijustice ngiyayifuna
So like sicela ukuthi like abo silweni sibe sonke limpi singahlali phansi sonke somphakathi ngoba le nto le ngayenzeka nomuntu sifuna nje justice phela.